Hello, and welcome back to Empower Your Mind. Welcome to today's Shadowing Challenge with Topic. In this series, you'll practice 30 clear, natural English sentences every day to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Shadowing is a powerful way to sound more fluent and confident in Chinese. Just listen, repeat, and mimic the rhythm and tone. Today's topic:
At the fruit stores.
for best results, pause after each sentence and repeat it out loud. Focus on intonation, pronunciation, and pacing. Rewind and practice as many times as needed. Let's get started with today's 30 sentences. Let's start.
May I look at the apples, please? May I look at the apples, please? May I look at the apples, please? I would like to buy some bananas. I would like to buy some bananas. I would like to buy some bananas. How much are these oranges? How much are these oranges? How much are these oranges? These apples look very fresh. These apples look very fresh. These apples look very fresh. Could I have 1 kilo of grapes, please? Could I have 1 kilo of grapes, please? Could I have 1 kilo of grapes, please? I am just looking, thank you. I am just looking, thank you. I am just looking, thank you. Please give me 2 mangoes. Please give me 2 mangoes. Please give me 2 mangoes. Do you have any fresh strawberries? Do you have any fresh strawberries? Do you have any fresh strawberries? I would like ripe bananas, please. I would like ripe bananas, please. I would like ripe bananas, please. This fruit smells very sweet. This fruit smells very sweet. This fruit smells very sweet. Can you help me choose some fruit? Can you help me choose some fruit? Can you help me choose some fruit? I usually buy fruit here. I usually buy fruit here. I usually buy fruit here. Are these apples on sale today? Are these apples on sale today? Are these apples on sale today? I will take these, please. I will take these, please. I will take these, please. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. I am looking for fresh seasonal fruit. I am looking for fresh seasonal fruit. I am looking for fresh seasonal fruit. Could you recommend some sweet fruit? Could you recommend some sweet fruit? Could you recommend some sweet fruit? These oranges are perfect for making juice. These oranges are perfect for making juice. These oranges are perfect for making juice. I prefer fruit that is grown locally. I prefer fruit that is grown locally. I prefer fruit that is grown locally. This store always sells high-quality fruit. This store always sells high-quality fruit. This store always sells high-quality fruit. Could I get a mix of different fruits, please? Could I get a mix of different fruits, please? Could I get a mix of different fruits, please? I am trying to eat more fresh fruit. I am trying to eat more fresh fruit. I am trying to eat more fresh fruit. These apples are crisp and juicy. These apples are crisp and juicy. These apples are crisp and juicy. How long will this fruit stay fresh? How long will this fruit stay fresh? How long will this fruit stay fresh? I would like fruit that is not too ripe. I would like fruit that is not too ripe. I would like fruit that is not too ripe. This fruit is perfect for a fruit salad. This fruit is perfect for a fruit salad. This fruit is perfect for a fruit salad. Do you have any organic fruit available? Do you have any organic fruit available? Do you have any organic fruit available? I appreciate your help in choosing the fruit. I appreciate your help in choosing the fruit. I appreciate your help in choosing the fruit. The fruit here is always fresh and tasty. The fruit here is always fresh and tasty. The fruit here is always fresh and tasty. Thank you for your excellent service today. Thank you for your excellent service today. Thank you for your excellent service today.
Come back tomorrow for the next topic with 30 new sentences. If you found today's practice helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a day. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep empowering your English.